Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video, and this video is nothing sort of fancy. So I'm going to show you how to give serial number to a table, and those serial number will be in numeric 1 2 3 4, and that will be encircled within that is the numbers will be encircled. So I'll be quickly giving the name to this table as serial number, and here I'll be giving some name, and I will be creating ABCD dynamically. So there is a range such as 65 to 90, and then again from 97 to 122, that's the ASCII value, 97 to 122. So 65 to 990 are the values from A to Z in caps, and 97 to 122 is the values of A to Z in small hand letter. So here I will be simply using the chord function to convert this 65 to the character equivalent, that is the 65 ASCII value to its character equivalent, but we will be using the row, and I will be using B65. So if this is a row B65, that definitely means that the row below it, if we drag the handler below, it will be B66, which means that char of 66 is something like in B. So let me press enter, and if I drag all the way across to into here, maybe up to this point, we'll be having the A to Z, so up to A to P. So in this way we can dynamically generate alphabets in MS Excel. So our topic for our this particular topic was giving serial number to the table in which the digits will be encircled. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing unicar, and then we'll be using something like a function row, and then we'll be adding something, we'll be adding 9311. That's the trick of it. And now let me press enter. We are having encircled 2. So maybe instead of using 9311, we'll be giving it 9310. Let's see what comes up. Yeah, it's 1. Now let me drag all the way, or maybe I'll be double clicking in here to autofill up to the range of the table. So in this way you can create serial number which are in numeric, and those numeric values will be in encircled. So let me click on A and select the center alignment. No, this doesn't work. Yeah, now the serial numbers are center aligned. So it's a simple trick. So you need to write. Let me zoom the screen a bit so that the code which I have written is more viewable. So all I did is that in this cell I have written this particular function unicar row 9310. That's it. So that's all for this short video tutorial on Excel. Let me know in the comment section how you liked it. See you again for some other videos. Thank you guys, and happy coding.